Good morning children. Welcome back to Social Science E-Class Learning. In my earlier video, we had started chapter number 3 related to civics and will continue the same in this video also. Let me brief out you the functions of the government. We had studied in the earlier video how does the government function. It functions at the 3 levels. First is the legislative body. It makes laws. Second is the executive body, that it is implementing those laws. And the third level of government is the judiciary, where the government gives judgment on those rules and laws which it has executed. Let us learn in this video about the functions of the government. So children, we proceed further with this chapter, and children, take out your textbook and let us continue. Functions of the government. The government is like a managing committee. Usually in a democracy, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. So government is like a managing committee. It manages everything at all the levels. May it be the field of science, may it be the field of education, may it be the field of research, technology and other development fields. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. Now see children, during this pandemic, during this COVID-19 pandemic situation, there was an economic deficit in whole of our country India. Government faced this situation also very smartly. It is going on implementing some subsidies for the small scale entrepreneurs, industrialists who are large scale industrialists, and for small factories, big factories. It is implementing many subsidies. It is implementing many projects so that it can provide financial assistance to the small businessmen, big industrialists also, so that the economy may not run in deficit. So it solves the economical and the social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic conditions and problems of poverty. Yes children, our country is facing the problem of poverty since last so many years, more than 30 years we are facing this problem of poverty. We are not self-sufficient in as far as the production of food grains is concerned. We have to import from other countries, right children? So it also solves the problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making low price food grains available through ration shops. And you know what are ration shops? Government also ensures that the poor people who cannot afford 2 meals a day, for them government has established ration shops. So they get the food grains at a very subsidized and low rate. So all these are the functions of the government. The government is functioning under those fields, right children? So assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and runs services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries too. Now, the government is also providing assistance, that is help during disasters. May it be, for example, earthquake, the tsunami. So during this natural disaster, during these natural calamities, how does the government tackle these situations? Again, it ensures that rescue operations are done in each and every village. So, it also establishes educational institutions and hospitals for the people who are sick, right children, and runs services like transport to ensure that transportation of goods from one place to another place is very easy. And judiciary, you know, that's there at times in our country there are many fights, many quarrels, and it happens that the people, when they are not satisfied, they go to the court. So there is the judiciary. In India, our judiciary tackles these problems and gives the judgment. Whoever is right, he gets the judgment. Post and telegraph, to ensure that post and telegraph is there in the country, right? Railways. The government also maintains friendly relations with other countries too. So it is the main important function of the country, not only to provide all these assistance, but it has to maintain relations with other countries also. So whenever the need arises, we can approach those countries, we can take assistance from those countries. Right children? Now see, for example, during this COVID-19, we had taken the help of America to provide us vaccines, right? India was running short. Immediately, we had asked the help from France, Germany and America. So it has to maintain friendly relationships with the other countries too. So that is also an important function of the government. Right children? So I hope you have understood this point. We move on to the next point, that importance of the government. As it is performing these functions, so it is doing a very important job. So you can understand what is the importance of government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. Yes, all people are equal in the eyes of law. Right? May it be he is a rich or a poor. No discrimination regarding to the gender, no discrimination regarding the rich and the poor. All are equal in the eyes of law. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented by the concerned authorities and the police. It not only frames, but it also ensures that it is implemented also by the police and the concerned authorities. Right children? A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulations wherever there is a public gathering. The government thus plays a vital role, an important role in maintaining law, order and peace, and also ensures the development of the nation. So it also ensures the development of the nation. So children, do watch my video properly and go through the textbook, these two paragraphs, read it, and I will be explaining the remaining chapter in my another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.